The learning intention of this screencast is to show you how to use the tools inside of Kami. So if you look at this assignment, it could be any assignment. This assignment's worth 20 points. It's a context clues worksheet assignment. The PDF is attached here. Complete this worksheet using the Kami app for tonight's homework. Use the markup tool and select box highlighter to highlight the context clues in the sentence that help you determine the meaning of an unknown word. Keep ideas in your mind as you highlight. IDEAS is an acronym that stands for inference, definition, examples, antonym, and synonym. And these are context clues that we can look for around an unfamiliar word to help us figure out the meaning of that word. And you took Cornell notes on that already. Write your inferred meaning of the underlined word on the line using the text box tool. We'll go ahead and go over those tools now. So when I have a PDF that my teacher gives me, I click on it, and I will see automatically a blue box that says Open with Kami. You're going to click that box. You have various tools on the left-hand side of this screen. Markup is your highlighter. So I like to select Box Highlighter, which is the second option down. The first highlighter, Text Highlighter, is not a good tool. It's hard to manage. Use Box Highlighter. Select your color. I default to yellow when I highlight. Okay. Let's look at the directions. You can use this tool, the Select tool, to read your directions. Context Clues Worksheet Part 2. Context clues are words in the sentence that help you figure out the meaning of a difficult word that you don't know. Directions. For each underlined word, use the context clues or words that surround that word to figure out its meaning. I'm adding an additional step for you. I would like you to highlight the context clues in the sentence that help you figure out the meaning of that unfamiliar word. And I want you to keep ideas in your mind as you're processing. Example A. I was really hungry, and the pear I ate did not appease my hunger. So if I use the markup tool I've discussed earlier, going to Box Highlighter and selecting yellow, I'm going to highlight what helps me figure out the meaning of this unfamiliar word. I was really hungry. I might highlight really hungry. And the pear I ate, I'll highlight that because if I'm really hungry, I'm going to want a large meal. I don't know about you guys, but I have a big appetite. And a pear is just not going to do it for me. Did not is also a context clue. Appease my hunger. All right. So I don't know what the word appease means, but I do know that I was really hungry. I ate the pear. I'm not blank. I'm not what? I guess I'm not satisfied. So you can see the example done for you says the answer to appease means to fulfill or satisfy. So the hunger was not satisfied. All right. We're going to go ahead and show you a new tool now. This is TextBox. TextBox will let you type into the document. I'm going to select black as my ink color, and here I can create a text box and I can write my first and last name and period. onto the document. Let's try marking up question number 1. Again, I'm using the box highlighter. Markup is the 4th tool down. The tornado's wrath destroyed many homes within the state of Kansas. Okay, so what's my context clue? These are mostly example in ideas, like we're given examples that help us figure out the meaning of the word. The tornado. And destroyed many homes. Okay, the tornado's something, wrath. And I think about it, the tornado's wrath destroyed many homes. Maybe it means strength. The tornado's strength destroyed many homes. The tornado's power destroyed many homes. Whatever you think that word is, based on this example and these context clues, that it destroyed many homes, you can create the text box, and then you're going to write the word wrath that you're not familiar with. And you're going to infer the meaning based on the context that tornadoes destroyed many homes. Might say power, strength, I don't know, anger. And you can leave it there, because right now we're just inferring. Once you finish all of your questions, you can go back, and with blue, you can put in the dictionary definition. A pro tip for dictionaries, I like to go to learnerdictionary.com, because I find that they give you very simple definitions that aren't too complicated for me to understand. And I'll put in the word wrath, because now I've finished. Extreme anger, like the wrath of the gods. It's sometimes used figuratively. These buildings somehow survived the hurricane's wrath. It means like anger. Interesting. So I look at what the dictionary says based against what I thought it might mean. And now I can write, well, the dictionary says extreme anger. And now I'm able to check my context clue, my inference, right, against what the dictionary tells me.